If your apartment looks fine, but somehow still feels a little cheap, there's a reason. And it's not your budget. It's the details you're not noticing. Most renters focus on furniture. Maybe a rug. Maybe some decor. But the truth is, expensive-looking spaces aren't built on big purchases. They're built on small upgrades that change how everything feels. And the best part, you don't need to drill. You don't need to renovate. You don't even need permission. In this video, I'm going to show you renter-friendly upgrades that instantly make your space look more expensive. And one of them completely changes how your entire apartment feels. The second you walk in, here's the shift most people miss. Cheap spaces look temporary. Expensive spaces look intentional. And the difference isn't money. It's control. Control of surfaces, control of light, control of visual clutter. So instead of adding more stuff, we're fixing what's already there. First, your hardware. Cabinet handles, drawer pulls, even bathroom fixtures. Most rentals come with the cheapest possible version. Lightweight, slightly dated, and it quietly makes everything feel lower end. But here's the fix. Swap them. Matte black, brushed brass, soft champagne tones. It takes maybe 10 minutes. And suddenly, your kitchen and bathroom feel custom. And here's the part most people don't realize. You can keep the originals. Swap them back when you leave. No damage, no risk. But visually, it's a huge upgrade. This next one completely changes how your space feels. An oversized mirror. Not a small wall mirror, not something decorative. I'm talking tall, leaning, almost too big. Because small decor looks like you try to decorate. Large pieces look like the space was designed, and mirrors do something else. They bounce light. They open the room. They create depth, so instead of adding more things, you're making the space feel bigger and brighter. Same room, completely different experience. Now this one, most people are not doing yet. Feel and stick texture, not wallpaper. Texture, think soft plaster, lime wash. Subtle depth, because flat walls feel flat, but textured walls feel expensive. And the key here is restraint. One wall, maybe behind your bed or behind your sofa, that's it. And suddenly, your space goes from basic to designed. Here's something no one wants to hear. Visible clutter makes everything look cheaper, even nice things. So instead of organizing more, start hiding better. Use trays, use boxes, use closed storage, group things together instead of spreading them out. Because expensive spaces aren't necessarily minimal, they're controlled. Everything feels placed, not scattered. This one sounds small, but you'll notice it immediately. Your kitchen faucet. Most rentals come with something basic. Slightly bulky, slightly outdated. Swap it for something sleek. A pull-down matte black faucet, or brushed gold if you want warmth. It instantly makes your sink area look higher end, and since it's a direct swap, it's completely reversible. Same sink, completely different feel. This one separates average apartments from elevated ones. Curtains, but not how most people do them. Don't hang them at the window, hang them higher, closer to the ceiling, and let them fall all the way down. Because when curtains are short, your ceilings feel lower, but when they're tall, your entire space stretches upward. It feels bigger, softer, more expensive. Here's a subtle one, but once you see it, you can't unsee it. Random metals feel chaotic. Cheap spaces mix chrome, gold, black, with no intention, but expensive spaces repeat. Pick one primary tone, maybe a second accent, and stay consistent. Suddenly, everything feels cohesive, calm, pulled together. If your space still feels a little off, this is probably why. Your textiles, thin curtains, flat pillows, rugs that are too small. It all reads temporary. Upgrade the weight. Thicker fabrics, fuller pillows, larger rugs. Because expensive spaces feel soft before they look expensive. And this last one, this is the shift. Edit your space. Not everything needs to be out. Not every surface needs something on it. When you remove just a few things, what's left starts to stand out. And that's what makes a space feel expensive. not more. Better. Most people think upgrading their home means buying more. But honestly, it's about changing how your space is perceived. A few smart swaps, a little more intention, and suddenly everything looks elevated. If this helped, go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you're curious, there's one more upgrade most people completely overlook, and it changes everything the second you walk into a room, and that's your entryway. Yes, the first thing you see when you walk in. Most renters ignore it completely, but it sets the tone for everything else. A simple console, a mirror, maybe one intentional light source, and suddenly your entire apartment feels finished before you even step inside. Hope this was all helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Yes, the first thing you see when you walk in. Most renters ignore it completely. A simple console, a mirror, maybe one intentional light source, and suddenly your entire apartment feels finished before you even step inside. Hope this was all helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.